Hey there, tech aficionados. Welcome back to Tech Lock, your go-to destination for all things tech. I'm Nana, your trusted tech guru with a decade of experience, and today, we're diving deep into a topic that's been making waves in the digital world: what is NFT? But before we unravel the secrets of NFTs, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button below. You don't want to miss out on the viral content we have in store for you. Alright, let's kick things off with the basics. You might have heard the term NFT thrown around, but what exactly does it mean? NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token, and it's changing the way we think about ownership in the digital age. At its core, an NFT is a digital certificate of authenticity and ownership. It's like having a digital fingerprint for a unique item, whether it's digital art, collectibles, music, or even virtual real estate. But why all the buzz about NFTs? Well, that's because they're sparking a revolution in the worlds of art, entertainment, and gaming. Imagine artists selling their digital art for millions, musicians releasing exclusive albums as NFTs, and gamers owning in-game items as digital treasures. This is the new era of ownership and creativity, and it's changing industries right before our eyes. But hold on! Before we dive deeper into the NFT rabbit hole, take a moment to show your support. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts. Your support fuels our mission to keep you ahead in the tech game. Now, let's address some common myths about NFTs and separate fact from fiction. Myth number 1: NFTs are just a fad. Reality: NFTs are here to stay, reshaping how we value and exchange digital assets. Myth number 2: NFTs harm the environment. Reality: while there are environmental concerns, many artists and platforms are moving towards greener solutions. Now, you might be wondering, how can I get in on this NFT action? Well, I've got you covered. Getting started with NFTs is easier than you think. You'll need a digital wallet, some cryptocurrency, and access to reputable NFT marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, or Mintable. Don't worry, we've got detailed guides in the description to help you kickstart your NFT journey. There you have it, my tech-savvy friends. What is NFT is no longer a mystery. NFTs are revolutionizing the digital world, offering unprecedented opportunities for creators and collectors alike. Before we wrap up, I want to express my gratitude for being part of our tech community. If you found this video informative and exciting, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Lock, give us a thumbs up, and share this knowledge with others. Together, we'll ride the wave of tech innovation.